to start selling fashion accessories products. In this video, I will show you how to make use of Shopify to design a professional website for your products. So before I move on, let's be honest with each other. Most fashion store owner making use of Shopify does not fail because of as they fail because of bad design, because people that visit your website, they are buying with their eyes. So when they are buying the product, they are not just buying the product, they are buying the way your website looks. So if your website does not look premium, does not look mature, you will lose sales. You will also lose customers, because people are going to buy something that looks good on self. So this is what we call fashion. So when you are building a website, you need to make sure that you have a professional website set up. So before you set up your website making use of Shopify, you need to choose the right team that has white background, that can display your product image in a perfect ways that will attract audience to buy from you. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to build a professional website for your fashion product. Shopify dashboard right here now. On Shopify, there are free theme and also paid theme, which is the premium theme. As I said, you need to make sure your store look professional. So I'll be making use of the premium theme called 7th. Now click on editing. You see the templates for the theme, premium theme you want to make use of this template. Now you see the section. There are a lot of sections here which you just need to add your product image, the image you want to make use of. So the first template we got here is the slideshow, which is you can call it banner as well, which is going to describe the first product connection you have in your Shopify. So I got 4 connection here in your Shopify, in my Shopify right here: women's wears, men's wears, shoes and bags. So the first connection I want to display on this slideshow here, you can also change the name. So there are a lot of section here. We have the navigation drawer, which is the announcement bars. If you want to change the announcement bars from this section here, you can change it. If you want to change the header. So here is the template for your website design. So after you click on this vertical slider, you look for the images. You can go to Yandex to get model images. You can search for fashion for women model or men's model, or shoes. You can search for premium image you can use, or go to Gemini to give you some fashion models, stylish image you can use for your slideshow. So I already have one here. So on this section here, you can change the name. So I'm going to change the name first. So after you change the name, click on save. And remember, anything you are doing, make sure you click save, because if you don't click on save, everything will scatter again and you need to continue from the beginning. So after changing the name, now this section here, slide, is where you can add your image. I already got the image I want to use. Now you click on. So on this slideshow here, there are 2 options. We have the image and the video. So I'm making use of image. You can explore on free images or go to Yandex to get one, or you can generate image. Adding the image is going to display on the template right here. You can see just added the image I want to make use of. That's display on the slideshow template. Now you click on save. Remember, always save your project. Then you move out again. can add more than one images. So the next slideshow is for men wears. So going to add another images for the men's. I already have that one too. Already display two images, stylish images for my slideshow, which is for the men's and women's collection. So here, this call to action button, you need to add nick to this call to action button. So how can you add nick to your call to action button? Let me show you how to do that. You move out and click on button. When you click on button, there's a section here. The section here is nick, paste a nick or search. So you need to paste the nick, click on connection. So there is a men's clothing connection. I'm going to add the men's clothing. So whenever they click on this shop now, it's going to direct them to the men's clothes connection. Now I'm done with the slideshow with the banner for both men's clothes and women's clothes. Now the next template to design is the next cards, which is the connection. So as I said, I got 4 product connection fashions in this store right here. So I need to display each connection from this template section here. So I need to drop down. Now from this side here, you can change the heading to shop by categories or by connection. Now I need to add each product connection. I got 4 connections. So from this neck card here, you can put in the image of the products in your connection. So the first connection I will display is the men's clothes. I'm going to select image. Now already have the first one, which is the women's clothes. Now needs to display the second one. I want to make use of good image. Now the men's clothes has been added. Now remember the third connection. The fourth connection is the maize bags. Now I'm done with the connection pages, which is the second template. Which is the second template, which is the nick card. Now the next one is the promotions, which is the third template. So this promotion here, you can add any product you wish to sell out first. Now I'm going to add, you can shake the timeline. So I'm not going to change the timeline, I'm just going to add image. Now the next section here, you need to display the new arrival. If you have a new arrival product, you can add it to this section here. Going to add new arrival products. Put in the nick, the product nick. Just click on connection, shoes, main shoes. Now I'm done with the promotion, which is the third template. Now onto the first template, which is a feature connection editorial. So in this section, you need to display each product from each collection. Now I need to display each product from each collection. Here you can add videos or background video. So I'm going to impose some product image. Going to put background image. Background image of videos. Now this section you need to add video. You can look for video or you can just off it. Now I'm done with the video product card. I display the shoes. After that, we move to the next template, which is shop the look editorial. Now here you can display any products from each connection. So I'm going to display product from each connection from this template here, which is the thing. The 10 steps template to design. So I'm going to display some product from each connection in this section. video. This one comes with the image and the image of brand product of my display is. It's going to be unique. Direct to product connection. Display and the product shop looks. The before. It's standard display another showing you. Select our image. Showing you how the display images. Gonna also make sure you put in the save each olive players. Still have the last template. Using the footer menu. So I cannot do that in this video right now. So this can be done later, but you just need to take a look at what I just designed right now. So I think already changes rich text image. Now I'm done click design, which is the website design. I'm done with everything now. Now let's take a look at it.